Hey guys, Patrick Donovan, SqFt Realty, part of the Johnson Group out here at the Waterways, a beautiful community in Richmond Hill. If you haven't been to this community, it's fantastic. They got community groups always getting together. The walkways or the roads are walkable. They got a private marina, 3 swimming pools, and a bunch of other stuff. We're here at Pulte today to walk through the Martin Ray, their model home. This is actually their office. Might be some people in there, but we're gonna catch this whole thing. Let's check it out. As you come into the home, as you see, I love the rounded archways and this foyer area. Shiplap up the sides. And you look in here, beautiful office they turned into. Could be anything. It could be a gym, playroom, whatever you like. Fantastic shiplap going up the walls, and you got the crown molding going up. It's fantastic. Double doors, and you can go into the kitchen from here, but we're not going to go from there. We're going to go from this way. All right, so now this is an office, so if you hear other people talking, that's okay, but we're in the beautiful kitchen right now. I just want to walk you around here, the stainless steel appliances they got, beautiful granite countertops they got. This is not a double oven, this is a microwave and oven right here, but plenty of space. You got the cooktop right here. With that, I want you to check this beautiful kitchen out. Now we're in the expansive living room, wide open to the kitchen and the dining room area, but fantastic views going out the back with a little screened in porch action out there. Plenty of space for everything that you need. All the furniture you could possibly want. You can put a huge TV up there, which would be for me, sports fan obviously, but check out this living room. Now, I don't want to miss this dining room area. As you see, it's very cut off to the side, but beautiful light fixtures as you can see. Love that. You fit a big, nice sized table right here for family gatherings. It's fantastic. I love this. Now we're in the primary bedroom, and oh my gosh, I love the detail they used in here. As you can see in the ceilings right now, they got the beams running through with the tray ceilings going around and the crown molding sweeping up. Fantastic, huge room as well. As you can see, you got the bathroom in here, which we'll go into, but gosh, I mean, this is a king size bed, right, with a great view outside, as you can see, and there's a lake right there. But king size bed, end tables, no problem. They got laminate flooring on the ground. Beautiful bedroom. Let's check it out. Now we're in the primary bathroom. It's got quartz countertops, got this beautiful standing shower with dual heads, walk-in tile, and a massive closet. We gotta check this one out. Now, since we've already been to the primary bedroom, this is one of the guest bedrooms here. Plenty of space. This looks like a queen size bed with 2 end tables. If you want to put a king size bed in here, probably only fit 1 end table, but still it's spacious in here as you look at it. I love the way they design it, kind of give you an idea of what it could be. But yeah, look at this great space. Leaving the bedroom and going to this guest bathroom, as you see, quartz countertops right there. Love that. Standing shower, beautiful. Tile floors right there. Love that. Now let's go into the next bedroom right here. So now we're in the final bedroom in this Martin Ray. Beautiful. It's a good size room right here. Probably fit more like a queen size bed. And here you'll see they have a bunk bed, and that's great. But there's a lot of good space in here. The window goes out to the side of the house, not out the front. Well, that's great. Let's check it out. Before we go outside, I just want to check out this area right here. It's a really neat dry bar they got going on right here. They're using it for coffee. You can use it for almost anything. And then it comes right across to the pantry right there. It's fantastic. Now let's go outside. So now we're outside in this beautiful screened in porch area. If you've watched my other videos, you know sand gnats can get bad around here 2 times of the day. Not, if you want to see what times those are, go check my other videos out. But you got to check out this beautiful, I mean, this is great screened in porch area. In this instance, you get to see the lake right there. But all screened in, it's fantastic. And you can look right at the fire pit from inside. Great. Let's check this out. Look at this beautiful outdoor space, right? Could you imagine yourself with a fire, roasted marshmallows, looking at the lake right there, maybe some s'mores, something like that? You could have endless entertainment out here. It's a nice space. You know, cornhole tournaments, you can throw the football if you want. It's fantastic. So this was the Martin Ray by Pulte. And I want to thank Courtney Heidick for allowing me to video this home. And if you have any questions about this home or any Pulte home, give me a call at 912-657-3544. Talk soon. Bye.